Hello, 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 my friendliest of friendly friends. It is I, Veyr, here again today. And for today's video, for today's episode of Cooking with Stupid Veyr, we shall be doing how to open stubborn banana. And the reason why I'm doing this, to keep you entertained while I find the SD card for my GoPro so I can do the actual episode of Cooking with Stupid Veyr that I mentioned about cooking that noodle soup. So I will be filming on my phone because I can't find the SD card for my GoPro. So yeah, today I should be showing you how to open a stubborn banana. I mean, sometimes it's kind of hard to open banana because it doesn't quite open when you try to, pull it like that, right? So here's the solution. All you need is a knife. And you make a cut right here-ish. And magically, banana open. How easy is that? And now I can't actually see what I'm doing because I'm looking through the phone camera because it's kind of in my face because I'm using a box as a phone stand. See? Banana. Well, thank you for watching, my friendly friends, and I hope you were at least somewhat entertained. And I'll see you again another time. But first, I'm going to eat this banana. I'm going to make you watch me eat it. Because I'm an idiot. And now I do recommend something serrated like this knife because it's kind of nice being serrated, but you could probably use any knife really. I mean, it'd probably work with a butter knife too. And bananas aren't very tough. And that's it for today, my friendliest of friendly friends. I shall see you again another time.